फ्रेंड्स, आज हम पढ़ाने फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया। नंबर वन, इंडिया इज called the country of festivals. Number two, there are many different types of festivals celebrated in India. Number three, India is a very cultural and diverse country, so many different types of festivals are celebrated here. Number 4. The national festival include Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti, which are celebrated all over India. Number 5. Some of the most famous Indian religious festivals are Diwali, Eid ul Fitr, Christmas, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Holi and many more. Number 6. Festivals play a very important role in our life. Number 7. They bring happiness for all of us and they unite people. Number 8. Festivals fill our lives with colors and enthusiasm. Number 9. They bring us closer every year and make us forget our cultural and religious differences. Number 10. Festivals strengthen the bond of the community and remove the malice from people's hearts.